Hi everybody. I picked this Cyclone up a couple weeks ago and it's in very good condition, but display's not working very well. Player 4 is completely burned out. I think the only one that works right now is player 3. Number 1 has issues, number 2 has issues, and it takes a long time just to warm up and get the gas flowing in it. So I went ahead and ordered a Rottendog DIS 200 display, and I thought ordering it in red it would look really nice, break away from the traditional orange. So I got it today in the mail. It's packaged really nice, static proof bag and whatnot, and came with these blackout gaskets, I guess you could call them, and also the schematics. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the back glass off and pull the old board out and put the new one in, and take my time doing it and see how it looks. Okay, everything went back together easy. Piece of cake, really. Flip the switch on, looks great. Brighter than I thought, really, but now I can see what's in player 4. But yeah, so far really happy with the Rottendog board, and it really is plug and play. So thanks for watching.